Growing turmeric can be a rewarding and enjoyable process. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to grow turmeric. Home ***1. Materials need. Turmeric rhizomes can be sourced from a grocery store or nursery. Well-draining pot or container. High-quality potting soil. Compost or organic fertilizer. Watering can or hose. Warm and sunny location. 2. Choosing turmeric rhizomes. Select healthy, plump turmeric rhizomes with multiple buds or eyes. These are similar to the eyes on a potato. 3. Preparing the rhizomes. Cut rhizomes into smaller pieces, ensuring each piece has at least 1 or 2 buds or eyes. 4. Preparing the pot. Fill a pot or container at least 12 inches deep with well-draining potting soil, leaving some space at the top. 5. Planting. Place the rhizome pieces about 2 inches deep into the soil, with the buds facing upwards. Space them about 6 to 8 inches apart. 6. Watering. Water planted rhizomes thoroughly but avoid overwatering to prevent rot. Turmeric prefers moist but not waterlogged soil. 7. Positioning and light. Place seed pot in a warm, sunny location where it can receive 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day. Turmeric loves warmth. 8. Maintenance. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially during the growing season. Water when the top layer of soil feels dry to the touch. Fertilize the plant with organic compost or a balanced fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season, spring and summer. Remove any weeds that may compete for nutrients and space. If you're growing turmeric indoors, consider placing a tray of water or a humidifier nearby to create a slightly humid environment. 9. Growth and harvesting. Turmeric will start sprouting shoots and leaves within a few weeks. Allow the plant to grow for about 8 to 10 months, until the leaves start turning yellow and drying out. When the leaves have dried, carefully dig up the rhizomes, wash them, and let them dry in a shaded, well-ventilated area for a few days. 10. Harvesting the rhizomes. Once dry, cut off the stems and any remaining roots, leaving the rhizomes intact. Store the rhizomes in a cool, dry place for future use. With proper care and patience, you will have fresh turmeric that you can use in your cooking and enjoy the health benefits it offers.